Hey, what up, girl?
Look who's back. Hey everyone. Hey guys, I'm back. Having another video because Lee gave my camera a shower, so she's been sitting pretty in a bag of rice in the cupboard, but she's fine now. There was loads of condensation in the lens, that was a whole thing, I won't get into it. Anyway, today's video, as you've seen, from this really gross lighting there, is my shower, skincare, and like my after shower body care routine. Obviously I just did my hair one, which you saw. I do need to wash my hair again today. I'm not going to do the wavy hair thing, I'm just going to wash it. But you're going to see my full skincare, my full shower routine. So let's jump straight in. Come and have a shower with me. Just kidding, you perv. I'm going to have a shower, then I'm going to come out and show you the products I use. So while I'm washing my shampoo off, I use these two cleansers to double cleanse my face. Just make sure that I've really got it nice and clean. Then I use this body scrub from Primark. This is bliss. I'm telling you this for free. Just scrub it all over my body. I normally do this while I've got my conditioner in. I just get this all over my hair, make sure it's feeling nice and silky smooth, girl. Then I just wash my body. Just this normal Aldi body wash, doesn't have to be fancy. Then when I'm all fresh and clean, I put my... I'm really worried I'm gonna like flash it. I put my head towel on and I come in and I do my body care. So sometimes, if the situation calls for it, I'll use this Golden Hour, I believe it's from Origins originally, I got it from TK Maxx, like shimmering oil. If I'm like going out, or I cut my leg when I'm shaving. It really hurts. This is really nice and it's just like a nice body oil, and I'll put that underneath my moisturiser, pardon me. But on a normal day, I'm just going to be doing my Garnier Superfood. This is the cocoa and ceramide one. And what I like about this is it's really thick. It's thick and goopy. And I like that. I like when it like doesn't necessarily blend in straight away. So I take a big old chunk of that, and then I sort of try and, again, I'm going to flash you, like run it all up my body so that my whole body's covered, and then I'll like blend it in. So I'm gonna go do that now because I don't want you guys to see me naked. Then when I'm all moisturised and I've got my pyjamas on, I just put my deodorant on. I use a men's one because I prefer how they smell, and I also feel like they last longer. So I do that. Then I put a bit of body spritz on. Favourite one ATM is the Mykonos Nights by So. Lee bought this for himself once and he sent me a picture saying, guess what? And I thought he'd bought me a present, but he's just bought himself a girl spray. So that's that. So I put some of that on, and then moving on to skincare. And now moving on to skincare. I'm sat on my bathroom floor and I feel like this looks like a ransom video. Anyway, so obviously I washed my face in the shower. The next thing I do is I tone, and again, sometimes I double tone. Don't ask me why. Also, this is causing me absolute grief. It really hurts as well. But first I go just in with the simple soothing facial toner. Just to tone a few things up here and there. Just feels nice. Yeah, I don't know why my skin is like really causing me grief recently. I don't know whether it's hormonal or stress or because the weather's gross. I really couldn't tell you girlies, I really couldn't. But I just try my absolute best. When I was younger, my skin used to like, I've never had horrible skin, like I've been very lucky to never have like bad sort of skin, but I always used to be so self-conscious of my skin, and if it was bad, I would just like chuck loads of like products on it, and obviously that's never the right way to go, but I just pushed on my throat too hard. I feel like hopefully now I'm sort of learn what to do with it, I don't know. Anyway, again, I'm going to double tone. Whether this is the right thing to do, I don't know, but I'm going to use my roche posay, Effaclar toner, and I just do the same thing. I try not to like drag this one as much because it's quite strong. This one I just do like 1 or 2. Sweet. So that's my toners done. Sometimes I do like a sheet mask. I don't know whether that's the vibes for today though. I just got these ones. They were like a pack of 10 from TK Maxx. They're just really blessed, like a simple sheet mask. We've all done a sheet mask before. I did one the other day when I filmed this video originally, so I don't know whether I'm going to do another one. I don't know whether I'm going to be bothered, but sometimes I'll do that. But next I'm going to go in with my, again, La Roche Posay, Epiclar, and I just use like that much. And we're going to moisturise my face. Also, let's sit down and chat now that I've got you. I have booked to go to Costa Rica by myself for my 21st birthday, and I am freaking excited. I'm literally quaking in my boots. It's from the 4th to the 12th of January, and my birthday is the 19th. So I've got that like by myself, and then I come back, and then I've still got like a week before my birthday to get spoiled by family and friends. I'm so excited. And it's my 21st, and I thought, why not? And I also want to go travelling next year, so I feel like doing this as like the first bit is like a good tester. You know, because I've never been anywhere by myself, like I would get lost. Anyway, next, a bit more moisturiser. I'm going to do, again, the simple hydrating light moisturiser. I quite like to use quite a lot of this because I like to put it on and then sort of like let it, oh no! Oh no! I was going to do this. Maybe I can, it's not going to work. Plan B, hold on. I just had to rub my face moisturiser into my arms because I just went to TK Maxx today and I bought this overnight repair retinol and blue tansy facial oil, and I don't know, any of my avid skincare girls or boys will know the app Yuka. It's like Y-U-K-A. It's brilliant, and you can like scan the barcodes of things and it gives you like the ingredient list. If you're not using it, you need to use it. Let me put this on my hands actually. 1, 2, 3. This says it's supposed to deal with texture, dryness. Doesn't smell of anything. But yeah, anyway, this Yuka app, it's like out of 100. And a lot of things that you think are good for you, they're not. Works with food, and that's really cool. Anyway, that was 95 out of 100. So I was like, you know what? Purchasing this now. And I've been wanting to get some retinol for a while, so put that in. Sometimes I like to like press it in, but obviously today wasn't the vibes for that because I forgot to do it. Then I'm gonna go back in with my simple moisturiser. God's sake, Ella, you silly girl! If you're not like taking your time when you're doing your skincare, start. Honestly, I used to take like 20 minutes to do my skincare because I just enjoyed it so much that like I just thought, this is my time. This is my little pamper session for me to do whatever I need to do, for me to look after myself. Lee believed that out of me, told me that I take too long, so blame him for everything. Just kidding. But yeah, that's my moisturiser done. Then my last and final step, this is my holy grail. This is my night skincare routine, by the way. This is my holy grail. I bought this on the plane back from Italy. It's called Egyptian Magic, and you can literally use it for anything. You can use it for your skin, your hair. It's made with olive oil, beeswax, honey, bee pollen, royal jelly, and propolis, but it's really good. So I just take like, not a lot at all, just that much. And then you rub it into your fingers and it kind of becomes like an oil consistency. And then this I do instead of slugging. I always used to slug with Vaseline and it was kind of gross. It made me feel like really greasy and sticky and like my hair would get stuck in it. And I didn't really feel like it actually did a whole lot. Like it fully just did sit on top of the skin. I don't feel like it sunk in. Whereas this, I feel like I wake up in the morning and I think I'm rejuvenated. I look 10 years old, smooth as a baby's bum, like stunning and gorgeous and fab. Love to see it. So I just put that on. I try and like put it on my lips as well because you can use it as a lip balm. Under my nose, so I forget to do that. And then down on my neck as well. And then I just wipe the excess off and whatever's doing. But that is my full shower, hair, skincare, body, nighttime routine. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for ignoring my head towel. Obviously, I've got a few new subscribers recently. Hey guys! I'm going to be posting videos a lot more hate when things make noises. A lot more frequently. So obviously like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. I don't know where the button is, I don't know why I'm pointing. But thank you so much for watching. Love you. See you next time.